Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a payment plan with Afterpay. Let's get straight into the video. So to set up a payment plan, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app or go through the website on your mobile device or computer, and then log into your Afterpay account using your email address and password. And then once you're logged in, just tap or click on payment plans to view your current payment plan. And then just select the order that you want to set up a payment plan for, and now you can choose a payment schedule that works for you. That could be weekly, it could be bi-weekly, or it could be monthly. Whatever it is that works for you, just go ahead and choose that, and then set the payment amount that you want to pay for each period. And once you're done with all of that, just review and confirm the payment plan details. Now, our payment plan option include installment plan, where you can split your purchase into equal installments paid over a set period. There's also flexible payment plan, where you can choose a payment schedule that works for you with flexible payment amounts and due dates. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a payment plan with Afterpay. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.